Just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2011 Ford F-150 Limited Lariat Supercrew 4x4. Listen to this, clean Carfax, been in the same family since new, and just a touch over 18,000 miles is all on it, so actual mile truck, no accidents indicated, same family since new. Wow, and it's one of 3,700 made. It's actually number 2,754, according to the limited plaque on the armrest of the interior, and we're going to check that out in a little bit. Something else special about this truck, this isn't your ordinary F-150. This has a 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood, and it has been ProCharged. This one will put 459 horsepower to the rear wheels, 620 to the crank. Professionally done, and it drives out beautiful. Speaking of beautiful, it looks good too in the white platinum metallic tri-coat. Black and gray interior. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at this grille, front fascia. All right, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior engine bay, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com, that's where you can check out all the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Yes, the paint shows as well in person as it does the pictures and videos. What you would expect in a truck with this low miles. Great looking wheel on these limiteds. White with the polished highlights. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did leave the side windows up so you can see that those are tinted. So know your local and state laws according to the percentage of window tint that you can have on there. And again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. There was a couple very, very small, minute little touch-up spots, if I can even find them back. A couple little tiny ones right there. I don't even know if they'll show up on the video, but very small. Nice soft tonneau cover to roll up, bed liner. This one does have the tailgate step, and you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures too. I have the tonneau cover rolled up and pictures of the bed, so check that out in the still pictures. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In with the still pictures too, there is a copy of the window sticker if you'd like to see exactly how this truck was equipped from Ford back in 2011. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Does have the preferred equipment group with the limited, of course. Sony navigation system. 373 rear gears with limited slip differential. And again, that clean Carfax, a little over 18,000 miles, is all same family since new. If you like Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. And you may see a 1937 Ford. One day you might see a Model A pickup another day. And then you get kind of a cool specialty truck, pro-charged, low miles, one you can jump in and drive every day. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. It's in beautiful shape. I'll show you this rear seating surface first off. So nice roomy cabs, of course, with the Supercrew, the two-tone black inserts on the gray. This particular one has a sunroof, as you can see, and it also really no wear whatsoever on the interior. Non-smoker, does not smell. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the folding mirrors. Of course, power bucket seats. There's a power seat over here on the driver's side. Memory seating. That center console, and I mentioned production number a little bit earlier. There it is right there, if you can read that. Number 2,754 of 3,700 made. Of course, your steering wheel controls for your information center, as well as your media and the volume and the radio. Electronic dual climate control. Electronic trailer brake built in. And best of all, wait till you hear this. All right, there's your exact miles, 18,163. Top of the dash looks good. Again, that navigation, radio, climate control, heated and ventilated seats. No service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that on. Nice and quiet in the cab, but on the exterior, we got a good sounding truck. Power running boards. I hear a whistle. Let's listen first to the exhaust note on this one. Just sounds menacing. It's definitely say a sleeper. This white tri-coat looking all innocent. Then you start it up and slip up here to the front. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna get this hood open so we can check out that engine bay, take a peek at the ProCharger. Stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I bet this one's gonna be fun. All right, there's the underside of the hood and the hood liner, nice and clean and tidy. Intercooler. Listen to that. And again, 6.2 liter ProCharger V8, 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, and that's laying down 459 horsepower to the wheels, 620 at the crank. Clean Carfax, same family owned since new. That Supercharger has only been on there the last 4,000 miles, 18,000 a little over total in the truck. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2011 Ford F-150 Limited with Sony speakers. This truck is loaded up pretty nicely. And practically like new, it's showing less than 20,000 miles. If you missed the boat in 2011, didn't get your new truck, here's your chance. Go back just a couple years to 2011 when computers didn't quite run the entire truck. That's a little more truck, in my opinion. Maybe not quite as large as some of those brand new ones, and still brand new. Stereo sounds great in this truck. We've got real gauges with real needles for all of our stats. The oil pressure is over half, the temperature is almost half, fuel gauge is a little over half a tank, and the temperature of the oil is still cool, slowly warming up. Tachometer working as it should, speedometer working as it should, In the middle, we do have a little bit of computer action, giving us our miles per gallon, showing you whether you're doing well on efficiency. If you see any flickering from the digital on the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the truck itself. This truck feels like a new truck. Need I say, it corners very well, it brakes perfectly smooth, it accelerates very well. I have an air-conditioned seat right now, so even if you go back to 2011, when I would say you're closer to when a truck was still a truck, you can get an AC in your seat and heat in your seat, and this truck has that. Plenty of room in the crew cab for all your friends in the back seat, and just a great low mile truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this F-150 at uniqueclassiccars.com.